Biography. Eudoxia, about AD 400 to 460. Empress Eudoxia was the wife of Eastern Roman Emperor Theodosius II. She was also the daughter of an Athenian philosopher. Her parents named her Athenaeus, after the goddess Athena. Athenaeus studied science, literature, and religion with her father. According to English historian Edward Gibbon, Athenaeus was not only well educated, but very beautiful. She had large eyes, a fair complexion, golden locks, and an understanding improved by study. As a young woman, Athenaeus traveled to Constantinople. She converted to Christianity, taking the name Eudoxia. She married Theodosius in AD 421. As empress, Eudoxia is said to have had a great influence over Theodosius. She was a devoted Christian, but was known for her accepting attitude toward non-Christians. She also was a gifted writer. Eudoxia wrote a poem that praised Theodosius's army's defeat of the Persians. In 438, Eudoxia visited Jerusalem. She returned to Jerusalem in 443, after quarreling with Theodosius's powerful sister, Pulcheria. Eudoxia remained in Jerusalem for the rest of her life. She devoted herself to doing good works. She wrote poetry and paid for the building of several churches and hospitals. She also was known for her support of the city's Jewish population. She died in Jerusalem in 460. She was buried in one of the churches she helped build. Learn from biographies. How do you think the events of Eudoxia's earlier life influenced the choices she made after moving to Jerusalem? Biofact. Eudoxia's face is featured on this coin. Many Byzantine emperors had coins made featuring their wives.